There are different ways of adding packaging to your product record. In this video, we'll explore the more basic product level packaging approach, as well as the method of creating a separate packaging entity. Let's start by understanding product level packaging. For this method, we'll just add our packaging material to the materials section of our desk lamp product. Navigate to the products page and click on our desk lamp product. Then click on the Add Materials button in the Materials section. Since our packaging for this desk lamp is a simple cardboard box, we'll select Cardboard and click Add Material. We'll also set the weight for the packaging, which is 0.3 kilograms. This method is quick and great for simple packaging. However, it's not as clear that this cardboard is the packaging and not a part of the product itself. And this approach might also not be as accurate for LCA calculations as creating a separate packaging entity would be. Now let's say that our desk lamp had more complex packaging. For example, a cardboard box with foam inserts. To create this packaging, navigate to the packaging section in the left navigation menu and click the Create Packaging button in the top right corner. A side panel will open where we'll enter our packaging details. We'll name it Desk Lamp Packaging and give it the article number DLPKG001. For the functional unit, we'll select Pieces, meaning we'll specify the packaging needed for one desk lamp. For example, if this were packaging for wood pellets, the functional unit would be kilograms. This means that you would need to specify how much packaging is needed for 1 kilogram of wood pellets. After you've selected your functional unit, click Accept. This takes you to the packaging page. Here, you can add components, materials, packaging, and factory data, just like in a product record. However, we'll only add materials and factory data for our packaging. Since our packaging will consist of cardboard and foam, we'll add that to the materials section by clicking Add Material, searching for and selecting cardboard and foam, and then adding them to the packaging. Let's also add the weight for our materials. We'll go with 0.3 kilograms for the cardboard and 0.05 kilograms for the foam. Next, let's add the factory in which our packaging is made. Go to the factory section and click Add Factory. We'll select our desk lamp packaging factory and add it. After all our data is added, let's save our packaging. It is now ready to be added to our desk lamp product. Now, creating a separate packaging entity for a product might seem unnecessary. But if your packaging is used in many products, it can become a real hassle to change every single one of them. But if you were to create a separate packaging entity instead, changing only that entity would be enough. Having a separate packaging entity also makes it easier to separate product materials and factories from packaging ones, which helps make your LCAs more accurate. In this video, we showed you how to create a packaging record and the method of a separate packaging entity. If any problems occur, we have a helpful AI assistant, comprehensive documentation, and online customer support to guide you. Thank you for watching.